Have you ever stared at an online platform, ready to make a deposit or withdraw your hard-earned cash, only to be hit with a wall of confusing options, hidden fees, and cryptic processing times? You're not alone. Navigating the world of USD deposits and withdrawals can feel like deciphering a secret code, especially with so many platforms, currencies, and regulations at play. But what if it didn't have to be so complicated? What if you could confidently choose the best method for your needs, every single time? That's exactly what we're going to demystify today. In this comprehensive guide, we're diving deep into the various methods for depositing and withdrawing US dollars, breaking down the pros and cons of each, shedding light on typical fees and processing times, and equipping you with the knowledge to make smart, secure financial decisions. Whether you're a freelancer receiving international payments, an online investor managing your portfolio, or simply someone looking to move your money efficiently, understanding these mechanisms is crucial. We'll cover everything from traditional bank transfers to modern e-wallets and even touch on emerging options like cryptocurrency. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be a true master of USD transactions. Let's start with the cornerstone of almost all financial transactions, bank transfers. This broad category encompasses several specific methods, each with its own characteristics. First up, we have wire transfers. These are essentially direct, electronic transfers of funds from one bank account to another. Think of them as the express lane of bank transfers. The key advantage of wire transfers is their speed. Domestic wire transfers often clear within the same business day, or at most, the next. International wire transfers, while generally faster than other cross-border methods, can still take 1 to 5 business days, sometimes longer depending on intermediary banks and time zones. Because of their speed, wire transfers are often used for large, time-sensitive transactions. However, this speed comes at a cost. Wire transfer fees can be significant, often ranging from $15 to $50 for domestic transfers, and even higher, sometimes up to $80 or more, for international transfers. These fees can be charged by both the sending and receiving banks, and intermediary banks might also levy charges, eating into your transferred amount. From a security standpoint, wire transfers are generally considered secure because they involve direct bank-to-bank communication. However, once a wire transfer is sent, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to reverse. This makes them a prime target for scams, so always double-check recipient details meticulously before initiating a wire. Next in the bank transfer family, we have ACH transfers, which stands for Automated Clearing House. This is a network used for electronic funds transfers within the United States. It's the system behind things like direct deposits for salaries and automated bill payments. ACH transfers are significantly more affordable than wire transfers, often with fees ranging from a few cents to a couple of dollars, or even being free for many common transactions. This low cost makes them ideal for regular, smaller transfers. The trade-off for lower fees is speed. ACH transfers are processed in batches, meaning they aren't instantaneous. Standard ACH transfers typically take 2 to 3 business days to clear, though some banks offer same-day ACH for a slightly higher fee, usually capped at a certain amount like $100,000. While generally reliable, unexpected delays can occur. In terms of security, ACH transfers are also very secure due to the regulated nature of the ACH network. Like wire transfers, reversing an unauthorized ACH transaction can be challenging, though easier than reversing a wire if you catch it quickly. For those dealing with international transactions, you'll also encounter SWIFT transfers. SWIFT, or the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, is a global messaging network that financial institutions use to send and receive information about financial transactions in a secure, standardized, and reliable environment. It's not a payment system itself, but rather the messaging backbone for international wire transfers. SWIFT transfers can be more complex, involving multiple intermediary banks, which can add to both fees and processing times. They are generally used for larger, international business-to-business transactions. Now, let's shift our focus to credit and debit cards. These are incredibly common for deposits, especially for online purchases and funding various accounts. Debit cards allow you to spend money directly from your linked bank account. Deposits using debit cards are typically instant, making them very convenient. Fees are generally low, often just a small percentage of the transaction or sometimes even free, especially for domestic transactions. For withdrawals, direct debit card withdrawals are less common. Instead, you typically withdraw cash from an ATM or transfer funds from the platform to your linked bank account. Security is robust with debit cards, offering fraud protection through your bank. Credit cards offer the ability to make deposits using a line of credit. Like debit cards, credit card deposits are usually instant. However, be aware of potential cash advance fees if the platform treats your deposit as a cash advance, which can be quite high, sometimes 3 to 5% of the transaction amount, plus interest. While convenient for quick funding, using credit cards for deposits, especially large ones, can lead to accumulating debt if not managed carefully. Withdrawals directly to a credit card are generally not possible. You typically receive funds back to your bank account or another method. Credit card security is also strong, with built-in fraud protection and chargeback options that debit cards may not always offer to the same extent. Moving on, we have e-wallets, which have revolutionized online payments by offering a digital intermediary for your funds. Popular examples include PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller. PayPal is arguably the most recognized e-wallet globally. Depositing funds to a platform via PayPal is usually instant. Withdrawal times to your linked bank account can vary, from instant transfers for a small fee to 1 to 3 business days for standard transfers, sometimes longer for international transfers. PayPal's fees can vary based on the transaction type, currency conversion, and whether it's a personal or business payment. For example, receiving international payments often incurs fees. Security is a strong suit for PayPal, with buyer and seller protection programs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.